Hello and welcome back to the channel. Another day, another knife showcase video. So today we're going to be showcasing number 15. Working once again with new materials. We've got some Goldsheen, obsidian and Padauk, but this Padauk has some sapwood in as well, so there's a really beautiful contrast in the woods. I'm almost having as much fun working the wood with these knives as I am the actual blades themselves. So yeah, let's jump straight into this one. There's a mixture of things happening here. I'm quite excited to explain each one. This is Goldsheen obsidian from Oregon. This stuff I've actually cut myself from different rocks that I've had. You can see, you know, even without the light, the gold pops through. Looking at it from that angle, and on the reverse from this angle, you can see it shining through. I'll show that in more detail in a minute. But yeah, you can see the flaking there. It's quite a big blade, 5.5 inches. It's quite wide, but I really like it. And as I said, like with most of my work, I do like to keep it a little bit thicker. Not too thin, but a little bit thicker. And it has that nice little curve at the top as well. So yeah, nice little piece of Goldsheen obsidian. Now this Goldsheen is very gold. When you get the light on it, especially natural light, it is so golden, it's almost unbelievable. But you've got to get it from the right angle. So from the top and the bottom. It was really nice to work. It's super glassy. It's just overall a really nice material. So the first time I've worked it, and I absolutely love it. Traditionally hafted, homemade pine pitch as always, and wax sinew with one of my little crosses, bound over just like that, and finished with hide glue. Just kind of sets it off quite nicely. Now we're going to get into the handle itself. Cornish oak at the heart. Really nice Cornish oak. The colour in that is stunning. It's been stabilised as well. And then you have the Padauk, or African Padauk, with sapwood. I think that you can actually see the division line between the sapwood running this way, and then of course into the wood here. So it creates a really nice contrast. And the butt of the blade has a nice piece of rosewood. There is a lot of different things going on with this piece, and I absolutely love it. I'm going to zoom in here on the grain itself. You can see the beautiful rippling there of the Padauk. That's why I love working with it, and of course it offsets so nicely with the oak. It's actually a really pretty piece of Padauk, and I've only got one piece left of this, so I've got to be careful. And you can see how it naturally works with the rosewood. That division there between the rosewood and the other two woods, the glue line, looks gorgeous because there's a little bit more glue there, so it's actually offset it with a black line, which I think looks really pretty. So the handle on this one I'm particularly proud of. Not much more to say on it other than I am really, really happy with it. Once again, you know, they're getting more refined as the series goes on, and I'm enjoying messing around with all different woods. This one in particular is a showcase of woods, I'd say. Let's jump into the base. Once again, I'm not definitely running on a theme, but I love working with this Wenge. There it is, signed and dated, serial number as per usual. But this one, the blade holder, is a piece of pale moon ebony. It's really nice working with such unique materials, and a pretty knife deserves a pretty handle. Just like that. I'm just going to use this torch here to bring out some of the Goldsheen. You can see it right there. It just pops right through, and in person it's really strong. See how it goes black and then bang, get a big band of gold. There's a particularly nice bit of banding at the tip, and the same again down here. The gold shimmers just at that angle. So from the side it has like a golden edge, as you can see, but then when you move it, it just pops. And you see it from the top too. Now it's my first time properly working Goldsheen, especially from a slab that I've cut myself. I'm really happy with it. It naps beautifully and it looks really good as well. As of right now, this piece is still for sale. You can find it on my website, bowmanlithics.co.uk. Once again, as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.